It's not a mistake. Insurance companies underpay claims on purpose. So, why would they do this? It's because insurance companies at the end of the day are in the business of making money. How do they make money? A lot of people don't realize this. They do take your premiums, but then they take that money, a lot of insurance companies, and then invest that money in other things. What does that mean? That means insurance companies aren't just sitting on all their premium dollars that they can pay out in claims at the end of the year. That money's tied up. So they want to set aside a certain amount of money called reserves to be able to pay claims. And they work with regulators to do this, and they try to negotiate to have the lowest amount set aside possible. How can they make sure that's going to be enough money? By underpaying claims. They don't want to pay out claims. They don't want to lose money. Even if they have reinsurance companies, which is actually insurance for insurance, they don't want to use them because they want to make sure that they have really good experiences with those reinsurers and they never have to go shopping for more. So what they're going to do is send out bad adjusters, inexperienced adjusters to underpay your claim. They're also going to have what they call internal guidelines. These are not part of your insurance policy. They're nothing you were ever shown. They're nothing you ever agreed to, yet it reduces your coverage. It's not enforceable. No state has recognized that as part of your insurance policy, so you're not required to follow it. But it says to their people, hey, we don't pay for this. We don't pay for that. We don't pay for this. We don't pay for that, even though your policy might say the opposite. So between using inexperienced people and then adopting guidelines that lower the amount, and then finally they have what they call quality assurance reviews. These are people at the insurance company who go through your estimate to look for mistakes. Are they looking for mistakes that favor you? No, they are not looking for mistakes that favor you. They're looking for any adjuster that might have paid too much, might have had a math error, might have paid something that's not allowed in the guidelines, and they reduce that estimate down and down and down. Often they won't even tell you. So by the time you get an estimate, it might not even be the estimate that the person that went to your house actually wrote. It might be a much lower version of it, but they do all that to avoid paying you so they can keep your money. Want to learn more? Subscribe for weekly claim tips or go to insuranceclaimhq.com. Protect yourself. If you're having a problem, call us now.